What if coding felt less like fighting your tools and more like working with a teammate who never sleeps, never gets hungry, or even grumpy? That's the idea behind vibe coding, or as I like to think about it, it's more coding in collaboration with artificial intelligence. So what's it like, vibe code? It's a fluid, conversational way of building software where the AI isn't just a search engine, it's an active participant in your workflow. In the old model, you'd write code, debug it, then hit Google or Stack Overflow. In vibe coding, you iterate with the AI in real time, bouncing ideas back and forth, testing concepts as you go. In short, AI helps you stay in the zone. Secondly, you can try out a lot more ideas with less friction, very quickly iterate through many concepts. And third, AI can fill in knowledge gaps instantly. It can even show you new ways of doing things and new tools you didn't even know. So where does this fit in the workflow? One way is you'll see it in autocomplete inside your code editor. There are also in-editor code question and answer session style tools. You can even have it do multi-step problem solving with agentic AI. And finally, even fully orchestrated workflows for complex tasks. I'll write some code here, and then we'll see how Copilot figures out the rest. So we're going to format, and there it goes. It's that easy. So I already accepted it, and it's already made another suggestion that says we should put some data down here. Even try doing some doc strings. Boom. AI is not a replacement for your critical thinking skills. You are still in control. It's just there to help you work faster and more efficiently. It can hallucinate. It can write downright dangerous code. And garbage in is still garbage out. You'll start to do more engineering of prompts than code after a while. In the next episode, we'll start small. I'll show you more in detail how to better use AI as autocomplete in VS Code. There are some tips and tricks that you need to know. And you'll see how even just a little bit of prep work can transform your whole flow and make your day so much easier. So be sure to subscribe and check back soon. See you then.